Wearing a face mask is now the new normal for most of us as we navigate through the COVID-19 pandemic. And while it's very important to wear a face covering, there's also an impact it's having on our vocal cords. While wearing face masks, people are generally speaking louder, causing them to feel hoarse after a long conversation. Laryngologist Dr. Daniel Vincent says just like dental hygiene, there is vocal hygiene to help prevent vocal fatigue.
And some of the common things that we talk about in vocal hygiene are hydration, making sure that the vocal cords are lubricated well and that the mucus is effective to keep them working well, and vocal rest if necessary, and avoiding vocal abuses.
Research indicates that people with occupations like teachers are already at a high risk of experiencing short and long-term problems with their voice since it's their primary tool for work. As teachers begin to teach in an unfamiliar way this school year by adding a face mask, it can cause problems with their voice to become even worse.
We get people back into the workplace more and more, but using face masks, I have a feeling we're going to see people complaining more of vocal fatigue and just complaining generally of making it makes it difficult to be understood in their communication every day.
Dr. Vincent says face masks can also interfere with communication.
Not only is it more difficult for a person wearing a face mask to make themselves understood, but it may also be difficult for the person listening to understand them well. And especially if a person already has a voice problem, it just gets amplified.
Dr. Vincent says even if face coverings have an impact on our voices, it's still more important to wear them to help stop the spread of COVID-19.
The importance of face masks in the context of this pandemic can't be overstressed. It's something that we can each do for the better of our fellow man.